One of the worst deaths in human history was that of a nuclear fuel plant worker named Hisashi Ouchi. Ouchi was involved in a criticality accident at the Tokaimura Nuclear Power Plant in Japan on September 30th, 1999. This incident exposed him to one of the highest doses of radiation ever recorded, leading to a prolonged and agonizing death over the course of 83 days. The accident occurred during a procedure that involved transferring a solution containing uranium into a precipitation tank. Due to a critical oversight, the solution reached a critical mass, initiating an uncontrollable nuclear chain reaction. Ouchi, who was standing next to the tank, absorbed approximately 17 sieverts SV of radiation instantly. For context, a dose of 8 SV or higher is usually considered lethal, making Ouchi's exposure more than twice the fatal limit. Immediately after the exposure, Ouchi's health deteriorated rapidly. His body's cells were decimated by the radiation, leading to severe damage to his internal organs. Despite being in a state of near constant medical intervention, including numerous skin grafts and blood transfusions, his body was unable to recover. The radiation had destroyed his bone marrow, leaving him without a source of new blood cells, which are crucial for carrying oxygen, fighting infections, and clotting blood. Ouchi's condition became a series of medical complications, including severe infections, because his immune system was virtually non-existent. His skin, too, suffered extensive damage, sloughing off and leaving him vulnerable to further infections. Despite the best efforts of his medical team, the damage to his internal organs, including his lungs, heart, and kidneys, was irreversible. The medical team kept Ouchi alive for 83 days, during which he reportedly expressed a desire to be released from his suffering. His case raised ethical questions regarding the extent to which medical intervention should be used to prolong life in cases of extreme suffering with no hope of recovery. Ouchi's death was ultimately a result of multiple organ failure caused by the catastrophic cellular level damage from the radiation exposure.